Hello my soldiers, and in this episode we're going to talk about the if-else statement in Kotlin, and we're going to write the very basic program in here. The program is going to find the greatest number between two numbers. So here I have opened the two files. In the left side I have opened the Java file, and in the right side I have opened the Kotlin file. Okay, so let's write the same program in both programming language. So let me declare two variables first of all. Num3 equals to, let's say, 25, and num4, let's say 100, and let's declare a variable called max. And the program is very simple. Just do num3 greater or equal to num4, then our max is num3. Otherwise our max variable will gonna be num4. Let's print this message in here. Java max is max. Now let's write the same program in case of Kotlin. Var num3 equals to 25, var num4 is equals to 100. Let's declare the variable called max, and it is of type integer. And here let's do if max num3 greater or equal to num4, then our maximum is gonna be num3. Simple. Else max gonna be num4. Let's print this here. Kotlin max is $max. Now let's run the Kotlin file first of all. And it says max is 100, which is correct. Now let's run the Java program also. Java max is 100, so both programs are correct. In case of Kotlin, we can treat the if-else statement as an expression. Expression is simply the statement which returns some value. So I can add is equals to in here, and let me remove this max, and let me remove this max from here as well. And this program is also totally valid. We're going to return the num3 from here if the condition is true, otherwise we're going to return the num4. So let me run this file, and we got the same result. And we know that this condition is going to be false, so let's write something in here. Var num5 is equals to 3 plus 5, and let's run this, and you can see it is still returning the num4, that is 100. So no matter how many lines you write, it is always going to return the last statement. So num3 is obviously less than num4, therefore it is going to come into this else part, and it is going to execute this line and return this num4 in here. Now let me close this. Now if I do the same in case of Java, and let me remove this, you can see our Java doesn't support this kind of syntax. So let me undo this. And this is all I have to cover in this video, and I will see you in the next class. So see you then.